It's a movement that's gaining traction with every minute. This very minute in the capital, hundreds of people have marched to India Gate, to Safdarjung Hospital, even to Congress President Sonia Gandhi's residence with candles, flags and messages of support for the 23-year-old woman who's bravely fighting for her life. But there's also anger at a system that's failed this young woman, and those are the voices that we're bringing you tonight. We're being joined by Siddharth Pandey, who is outside 10 Janpath, Sonia Gandhi's residence. So now Sonal joins us from Safdarjung Hospital. Tanima is at India Gate, which for the third day running is seeing huge crowds of people. Siddharth, to you first, what are the people there saying? 3 days on, 4 days on, there seems to be no let up really to the kind of public anger that we've seen spilling onto the streets.
Well, that's right. In fact, I'm just going to show you. This is, of course, 10 Janpath, as you said, residence of Sonia Gandhi, UPA chairperson. And you can see that the police have formed a complete barricade here to try and ensure that, of course, no one actually goes through that barrier. So far, these are, of course, all members of Arvind Kejriwal's party, the Aam Aadmi Party, and they've essentially been sitting out here singing songs and essentially saying that they want a conversation with Sonia Gandhi. They're saying that the system needs to change, and they're saying that they will be peaceful, they will not try that barrier. And they've also said that if they can't really go ahead and meet Sonia Gandhi, they will go across and try and meet the Home Minister, whose house is actually just roughly 100 meters on the right of me. So that's what they're saying. They want to have a conversation with Sonia Gandhi. They're saying they're going to be peaceful. But I must also add, this is now Arvind Kejriwal's party. These are members of his party. They're saying that their message is non-political. They are essentially asking for a change in the system. But you can see that the police completely has barricaded the entrance. And not just that, this entire street, this stretch of Akbar Road has been completely closed down to traffic. As this particular group walked from Jantar Mantar, they walked here, and for the past almost 25 minutes, they've actually just barricaded themselves outside Sonia Gandhi's house, singing songs and shouting slogans, insisting that they have a conversation with Sonia Gandhi.
Sonal, today we heard from the doctors at Safdarjung, who in fact made an appeal to people not to block the gates of that hospital because it's become a crisis for other patients and their families there, but also a great deal of support for this young woman there, people who want to make their voices heard and who want to convey that message of support somehow or the other.
That's right, Ankita. That was the first appeal coming out from the MS, that people should perhaps clear out this area. Remember, we are outside the main entrance of Safdarjung Hospital. There is a lot of to and fro movement of hospitals, of ambulances, of supplies. So the MS really appealing, and we would also like to reiterate this to our viewers, that anybody who wants to stand in solitude and perhaps in support of the girl should not come in try to block this area at Safdarjung Hospital. But despite that, you can see behind me several people. The sentiments are running so high, Ankita, that people are really angry out on the streets. And with the evening, we've only seen the crowd swelling, more and more young, angry voices coming in here to talk about the fact that, you know, things are not going right. What's happened to her should not happen to anybody else. And perhaps the time that we need to take some stringent actions. But coming to her health, Ankita, the basic point coming out of the hospital today was the fact that the doctors have told us that the health, there have been mixed responses so far. Her health is not deteriorated. There have been good news and bad news. The good news is the fact that she's off the ventilator, and she remains to be on oxygen supply, but she's off the ventilator trying to breathe on her own. But the bad news at the same time remains to be the fact that her TLC counts have gone down. There is an impending danger, as we've been saying so far, of allergy and of infection spelling through, and the infection, they say, is only spreading further. Okay, now the challenge really in front of the doctors here at Safdarjung Hospital has been the fact that with the increasing dose of antibiotics, they fear that the body just might develop a kind of resistance to the antibiotics, and perhaps they will also stop acting in some time. So, but perhaps, Ankita, with all those prayers outside Safdarjung, across the capital and across the nation, we can only hope and pray that the girl survives through, and there are miracles which are heard. Back to you.
Right, Tanima also at India Gate tonight. Tanima, more people there once again hoping to be the change they'd like to see, hoping that this case can be some sort of a rallying point.
Right, Ankita, we have seen that there have been protests organized at India Gate throughout this week, right after this incident has been reported. In fact, we had come here earlier in the day as well, where we had seen that protesters who were marching from Rashtrapati Bhavan had come all the way from there to India Gate, and they were pointing out the fact that they are not going to let go of this issue till the government actually comes up with some plans, comes up with certain changes on the ground level. We are going to go across and speak to some people who have gathered over here. आप लोग बताइए हमें कि आप यहाँ पे हर रोज आ रहे हैं पिछले कुछ दिनों से, किस मुद्दे को लेके आप लोग इतना टेंस है, इतना एंग्शियस है कि कुछ चेंजेस आए, गवर्नमेंट सरकार कुछ चेंजेस लाए? अभी
गर्ल्स बिल्कुल भी सेफ नहीं है. वी आर नॉट अ सेफ इन दिल्ली, स्पेशली इन दिल्ली. वी वांट जस्टिस. दिस इज द फाइट नॉट इन दीपिका Damini. This is fight of all the girls who lives in Delhi. We are not safe in Delhi.
Right.
We live in the capital of India, but we are not safe even in the capital of India. Not even in daytime. Every boys are abusing the girls every time, every second.
Every boys and every man understood that we are property of him.
Right. So some strong comments. Right. Some strong comments from girls over here who are fed up with the kind of treatment that they get by taking even the public transport in daytime. That's what some of these girls are telling us. And you can see these are people who are spontaneously coming out in the streets. It's not like they are being called, but they are coming every day to India Gate to register their protest, to show solidarity with the 23-year-old victim, of course, who is still struggling for her life at Safdarjung Hospital.
Right.